So, guys, I am so excited to make this giant popcorn box. The first step is going to be making this template, and I have taken my stationery here. I started by marking the boundaries, and at the edges, I am going to make this semicircles because this is how ordinary popcorn boundaries looks like. I have marked the boundaries on the cardboard as well with the help of the template, and now comes the final step of coloring the box. Here, I'm gonna color the stripes red because this is how a popcorn box looks like, and I have made this popcorn box almost 10 times bigger than one ordinary popcorn box. Please stay tuned till the end. I'm gonna show you what I did with all the popcorns I filled in the box, and the box is finally ready, guys. And the next step is gonna be making up popcorns. I don't know how many packets I bought. There were infinite numbers of packet I bought because it was gonna take so many popcorns to fill in the box. So I had three container on the induction and stove in order to make them perfectly and on time. It still took me 3 to 4 hours to make all of these popcorn and fill the box. It was a huge box. My entire family helped me up in making this project a reality, and this was going on in my mind since a very long time, what I'm gonna do with all the popcorns. So I had a very kind thought in my head what I'm gonna do with it, so you can watch that in the end. Now, as you guys can see, the popcorns are getting ready. I am gonna fill them in the box, and it took me almost, I don't know how many packets. I can't even give you an idea. There were too many packets, guys, and I started filling it up in the morning, and till the noon I got done. It was a little tiresome and very, very exciting as well. Mm, So now, when the box was full and I was done making this giant popcorn, I was so proud of myself. I thanked everyone who helped me, and now what I'm gonna do with this, you guys can watch it. Please do not forget to like this video if you want me to make more content like this.